Lexus recently reaffirmed their commitment to a model with a lower ground clearance, whether the now-retired Lexus CT model can return. Apparently, the Lexus side doesn't exclude anything. Recently, the Best Car site Japan said that a crossover that replaces the CT, which is the most basic model from Lexus, is also in development, where we all know that the Toyota and Lexus conferences in December 2021 announced their future cars that were fully electric vehicle batteries. And this rendering car is almost similar. Maybe the design will not be 100% the same, but at least we can imagine if it will come in 2025. Let's look at the following unofficial render. For the 2025 model year, the Lexus CT might resurface and be positioned below the UX crossover. Above all, speculations suggest a variety of powertrain possibilities, including 3 different batteries electric vehicle kinds, a hybrid, and a gasoline engine. According to the most recent information, the next Lexus CT model will be reincarnated as a compact crossover that is distinct from the UX rather than being blended with the UX of a small SUV. The Lexus CT, which debuted in 2010, underwent a redesign in 2014 and a lighter edition in 2017. The hatchback is based on the Toyota Auris Corolla platform from the previous generation and has a hybrid engine option. Over the course of its existence, it has sold about 380,000 units in 65 different nations. In October 2022, the Lexus factory will produce its final CT, making way for a compact crossover that will arrive a few months later and probably include a hybrid powertrain. Lexus brings back the CT. To receive updates on the new Lexus CT, be sure to subscribe to our channel.